Brands can use product videos to showcase the best qualities of their products and also familiarize potential customers with all the specifics. This expands your market globally and makes them convenient for clients that are busy. The ability to differentiate themselves from the competition and offer something unique helps firms attract clients from the sea of similar catalogs and print advertisements. In this video, we will be discussing ways to shoot product videos. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Plan the shoot. Develop a video plan first. Writing a script for your product video's most significant features and advantages is a fantastic idea. Time yourself while reading it out loud. Most carefully written product scripts aim to keep your finished film under 1 minute, ideally 45 to 60 seconds will do. This fundamental time frame should be followed in your written script. You can always switch up the script and make necessary changes to make your product video stand out more. Number 2. Pick a style. When you pick a style of product video, some of the questions to keep in mind are: is there a voice over the video or just music? Will there be some written text to point out the key aspects of your product that buyers should know about? And finally, will there be a person in the frame yourself promoting the product or acting out a skit to promote the product? Many people produce product videos in which they speak directly to their viewers and describe how they use the product they are marketing. But when thinking about how to make product videos, you could want to take a more subtle approach and only display the product. It is beneficial here. Number 3. Stick to it. Keep the backdrop and lighting the same in all videos to maintain consistency. Use a table with a white sheet covering it if you're demonstrating things, and make sure your space is well lit. Maintaining a consistent look and feel throughout all of your films, even while showcasing or discussing several product brands, is crucial, just like branding your company. If you create product videos for each item you sell and post them to your website, it will make them appear more professional. Except when a certain product specifically calls for it, don't drastically alter the lighting, music, or angles. Number 4. Pick the right shots. Shots and angles can be used to highlight various elements of a tale or to get a deeper look at a particular component of a product, in order to give their audience the finest experience and, in the case of advertising, the best view of their product. Directors employ a variety of diverse shots and angles. Use these to show off your products in video. 1. Close-up shot, to show off the specific details of your product. 2. Medium shot, to show off your product as a whole. 3. 3/4 front and rear angles, to show off both the sides and front or rear of your products in one shot. 4. High angle, to show off your product from a higher point of view, revealing details on the top while also showing off the side of your product. 5. Low angle, to catch the details nearer to the bottom of your product. Check out our video on different types of shots and angles. Number 5. Lighting up your shots. The sort of lighting you select while lighting a product video will have a significant impact on how the film turns out. Whether it's the kind of lighting, the place where the photo was taken, or the backdrop, the idea is to have as much control over the lighting as you can. Some of the lights can be: 1. Clamp lights. These lights are the most budget-friendly but are the hardest to diffuse for soft, even light. 2. Studio lights. Studio lights give you more control over diffusion and offer more light to work with. 3. High-end lights. These are the most expensive option, with one light sometimes costing as much as a full studio light kit. However, these lights offer a full range of features, including dimmers, wireless controls, color temperature, diffusion, and stronger output. You can set up your lighting in a 3-point style. This is a triangular shape of light surrounding your subject that will give you the ideal lighting, controlling the highlights, shadows, and brightness. Key light is the brightest light in the trio. It is also the light that is going to provide the bulk of your light to your subject. The fill light is less intense than the key light. Its intention is to eliminate shadows caused by the key light. The backlight is what separates the subject from the background. It creates depth to avoid a flat background. Check out our video on lighting. Number 6. Use the right equipment. Some of the equipment you'll need for professional product videography or any videography are video camera, tripods, lighting, microphone, audio cables, headphones, lenses, batteries, memory cards, hard drive, camera bag. Make sure to have spare equipment too. Check out our video on the video shoot checklist. Number 7. Shoot various takes. Having multiple takes gives you more room to experiment with your video. You can shoot a different number of takes from different angles and piece it all into one product video. The act of shooting different takes is to experiment with the video shoot to get more footage to work with. Number 8. Finalize your footage. After finishing the video shoot, your next step would be going through all the footage and choosing the ones to be edited. This will help you organize the footage to be edited. Once you finalize the videos, you can import them into your video editing software's library and you can start editing them. You can use any software, from Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, Lightroom, etc., to Movavi, Filmora, etc. All these can help you edit your videos professionally. Number 9. Edit the video. You can edit the video in accordance with the type of style you're going for. This will set the foundation for the pace of the video, including the color, transition, special effects, text font, pace, and more. Number 10. Add background music. Adding background music is the cherry on top of any video. If the visuals are considered to be an eye candy, then the audio should be ear candy. In the case of the voiceover in your video, remember to keep the background music volume lower enough so the voiceover can be heard well enough. After all this is complete, you can export your product video and promote it across social media platforms or use it to run ads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.